In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 video editing applications that will take your videos to the next level. These apps provide you with the ability to create captivating slow motion effects, allowing you to add drama and excitement to your videos. So without further ado, let's jump right in. TimeCut. TimeCut is a video editing application that allows users to easily cut and edit specific parts of a video. This application also provides a slow motion feature that allows users to slow down the speed of the video. By using TimeCut, users can quickly trim and edit their videos, as well as add slow motion effects to add drama to their videos. This application is generally easy to use and offers various other features such as video rotation, brightness adjustment, and contrast adjustment. SlowMo. SlowMo is a video editing application designed specifically to provide slow motion effects to videos. This application allows users to slow down the speed of their videos with adjustable levels according to their preferences. Users can also set where the slow motion effect will start and end in the video. Additionally, SlowMo also provides a feature to speed up videos, allowing users to adjust the speed of the video as needed. This application can be used to create interesting slow motion videos and create prominent dramatic effects. Video Velocity. Video Velocity is a video editing application that allows users to adjust the speed of their videos. This application has a slow motion feature that can be used to slow down motion in videos. Users can choose how many times slower the video will be recorded, resulting in the desired slow motion effect. Additionally, Video Velocity also has a feature to speed up videos, allowing users to adjust the speed of the video according to their needs. This application is generally easy to use and provides flexible speed settings to create high-quality slow motion videos. And there you have it. These video editing applications offer fantastic features to create stunning slow motion effects in your videos. Experiment with different speeds, transitions, and effects to bring out the best in your videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.